bit muddy because it's been raining. I hope I find my way back because I keep going. This is not Highland Park that I'm used to, so kind of anxious. I've never been on these trails. It's a different park. So, hi everybody. Just trying to get my exercise and see nature instead of just being inside all summer and fall. I just try to go out, not just stay inside buildings, at home or work. There's a pipeline here. Maybe it's for water or something. The thing about going on a park I don't know means I have to come back the same way. Because I have no idea where I really am. There's some parks, like Highland Park, I know my way. This doesn't go to another road. I like goes to an open spot. This park is like a maze to me. There's not a lot of signs out there. So let's see. Here it says Allegheny Park, Allegheny County Parks. Go to this spot. This one doesn't say anything. So maybe I'll just go straight. I have to remember that I came from this way, not that way, not that way, but there. Wow, I feel like I'm in the real woods. This is like not Highland Park. It's like, oh, where does it go? Woo! Very interesting. So I came from straight. I think going straight is the only way to find my way back. Oh my God, these are like the woods. It's very woody. Does it go anywhere? I don't see any exit. Wow. I'm kind of scared to go in there. It's like, oh my God. And look at these. They put some marks, like on the trees. That's very interesting. Okay, I see this on TV. I never thought I'll do it. Like, go in a real deep. Look at this track. What is that? These are not footprints. Those might be footprints. some reason I feel like I'm gonna be running out of this part. Oh, I saw a little animal. I'm so scared of little animals. I don't know why I'm going back. I'm going on a path in a park that's so big. I mean, a little park maybe I usually go. I don't hear traffic. Now I hear something. That side. I don't know what they sign, why they put different colors on the trees. Now that tree's marked blue. Why is it so scary to walk in the woods? Of course, there are reasons. Hope there's no bears in here. Just glad it's not Africa with their lions and a bunch of snakes and stuff and hyenas. Okay, so when I go back, I have to follow that. Most of the people walk on the road. I do sometimes. I usually walk close to the road, but I just curious what's out here in this park. There's a mark. Oh, there's no mark on the back of it though. Okay, this tree's a good mark. This is straight. One good thing is that I got GPS. And I got a phone, I guess. I'm like, well, 911, I'm lost in the woods. I see a bear. Oh no. So there's a little track and then there's this one. Oh my god, am I gonna find my way back? So I'll have to go straight when I see the blue mark. I need to find my car. It's not like I walked all the way to the park from my house. If I get lost, I'll have to put GPS to my house and then come back and get my car, I guess. I love the woods. But at the same time, I'm like, where am I? Where am I? Wow, it's just woods and woods and woods. I mean, they clearly put a trail here for a reason. So I'm just trying to go as far as it goes, but if it keeps going forever, I'm gonna have to turn around. I might turn around so that I don't get lost. Oh, there's this interesting tree. Very interesting. That's a good marker. And one that's like cut. Oh my goodness. I feel like an animal in the woods right now. I suggest that you take somebody with you when you're in the woods. Not just your phone with GPS. I'm not a good example. Okay, here's another marker. I don't hear any traffic. I'm hearing less actually. So I might just turn back. Oh, these are beautiful. I loved going camping when I was in high school. As you can see, it's in my blood. It's very interesting. In my native country, Zimbabwe, we're not allowed to walk in the woods, but we walked a little bit in this area where there were no big trees, there were just bushes. I think I hear traffic ahead. Okay, I'm getting my miles in for my cardio. Oh my god, this doesn't end. How many miles does it go? I wish they told us. The web went on my face. I wish there were signs like, yeah, this mile from this location. Okay. I don't want to jog because I don't want to get too tired. I don't know how far I'm going. There are marks here. And the back of it. Okay. Now it's going to a one without a mark and one with marks. I don't want to go there. Sometimes I do, but I don't see anything. I hear traffic more on this side than I do on that side. Especially more like I hear traffic that side straight ahead. If they tell me how long this is gonna take, I'll probably take the pot. I'm overthinking this. This one says Allegheny County Parks this way. This one points that way. So I'm still in the park. It's just too big. I don't want to walk that far back to my car, so I'm going to turn around. Let's see if I find my way back. Because I don't know how long this trek would take. By the time I reach at the end of this, trail. By the time I reach the end of this trail, then I probably have to walk back. Mosquito. It feels better to go back. To go back to the noun. I don't know this park. I think I'll have to get a map for me to feel comfortable going the trail. And to be honest, I need a trail buddy to be able to go through this park alone without being nervous, anxious, a little bit scared. My head is like thinking about all the things I see in movies, like snakes and stuff, and bears, and boobs, stuff like that. That's what you get for watching movies. Too many movies. Ooh, I love this flower. I'm back to this flower. Well, I guess today's about getting my cardio on and learning to find my way back in a different park in the woods where there are marks. I guess if there are no marks, I have to put my own, of course. Oh. And I'm saving my energy. If I ever need to sprint, I'm gonna need all my energy. I hope I don't have to sprint. You know what I mean? Running as fast as a cheetah. Yeah, I hope I don't have to sprint from anything. But that's another reason I should not like jog and stuff right now. If I just walk, I'm enjoying this. But it's a little bit scary, a little bit. It's fun though. I mean, I haven't seen anything scary, so I'm not really scared. But I'm like anxious, like I'm like paying attention to my environment, you know what I mean? Like a little bit on my toes. Oh, it's so beautiful. Observe. This is where I was. I remember that. I mean, I came from straight down there. But there's a part where I didn't take the video. After the end of this trail, I came from the left. That's all I know. But from the left, going through certain paths. So I hope I still find my car. Here's where my car is. Very interesting. How come I didn't see this last time? This says something. Sometimes you don't want to read people's love stories, but somebody came with their dad. Well, some people have been on this trail. I could have put my mark there. Like, that would be funny. Yeah, maybe next time. I don't know if I'll ever come back on this trail. There's so many places to go on the park. I got my cardio for the day. I can go home and study. Get ready to do my homework. It's a busy day today. But gotta start with that cardio. I did not eat my breakfast yet. So I need to get my breakfast. I remember seeing this before. I need to eat my breakfast. You know, I just didn't feel like eating yet. I needed to get more energy first and movement before I eat today. Each morning is different. I'm here Praise the Lord. Hey, so I took a break. I'm doing that walk in the woods. Let's sing for God right now. I love you, God. I love you, God. My soul it sings, it sings, it sings. I love you, God. I love you, King. I love you, King. My soul it sings, it sings, it sings. I love you, King. You guide me, you walk with me through the woods. You provide for me food, water, and shelter. I'm so grateful to you for your unending love. You take away the fears that are inside of me. I know you're with me wherever I go. I love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. Oh, I love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. Oh, I love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. With my heart, with my soul, mind, and body. Oh, change my life. Take me, Lord. Please make me a worthy vessel so you can equip me and use me to accomplish your purposes. Oh, I'm here, Lord. I'm here, Lord. I'm here, Lord. I'm here. Run to the Lord. Where can I go? Where can I run? Run to the Lord. Where can I go? Where can I run? I'm running into your arms where I'm safe. I'm running to your kingdom where I'm safe. I'm running to your because of gold where I'm safe. I'm running to you, my Lord, my King. I find courage, I find courage when I call your name. I find courage, I fear no evil when you come and tell me you're near, Lord. Oh, I praise your name, Lord. Oh, oh, oh. I worship your name, yeah. Thou shalt not fear, thou shalt not fear. Take courage, the Lord is with you wherever you go, wherever you go, wherever the end of the trail almost. Well, at least at the part where I started the video. So look, guys, the end is coming. I did not want to keep going on this trail because I don't know where I'm going. Okay, so because I don't know where I'm going in this park, I just was not comfortable to continue following the trail to wherever it ends, because I don't know how many miles I have to go in this park to the end. That's for one. For two, I don't know this park. I don't know. I mean, the park that I'm from, there's nothing in the park, like no big animals or anything, but this park looks very woody, okay? I mean, there might not be animals in there, like big ones, but it makes me kind of anxious and nervous. Oh, even this squirrel makes me like, oh. So you know, I'm not ready to go through this park alone, ever, probably. If I have to walk that far, I probably have to walk with somebody in this park. But I've walked pretty good, like by myself, without losing my head and being too scared. You know, I mean, I was fine, but I just felt like, oh, I'm gonna get scared if I keep going too far in a park that I don't know. And for one, also, we're just going straight. I was just going straight. I don't know this park, so I was just like using my sense of direction and also the markers that were on the trees to figure out, like, okay, I can go through this park, I can go alone, I can come out. But should I have kept going? No, because the path was not, well, it started to curve and it started to become less straight, and I wasn't hearing traffic anymore. So I was like, oh, I'm not gonna go that far by myself. You know what I mean? So anyways, so I came from that way, so basically just going back. So beautiful. The sun feels so warm. Like, oh my gosh, it reminds me of back in Zimbabwe, where, especially when I visited the village, you know, and we went on a walk, you know, near where grandparents are. Well, we went to the grandparents' house, but we went to walk, you know, around near the house where the grandparents live. That's what I mean. Oh, this feels so good. And I like the open area. It just, it feels very secure. Like, I don't know. And then this sky, like, hello, God. Hello, 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 hello. You know, it just feels safe here. Like, I don't know. I don't know what you guys think, but when I reach an open area, I feel safe. But sister girl, I love the woods. I love nature, like literally, like, whew, I love it. I love it. I'm happy I went through there. It's good to get a little bit scared sometimes, you know what I mean? Instead of just sitting next to a movie that's kind of gonna scare you. I don't like scary movies, but I get scared sometimes when I'm watching movies. But I'd rather go in real life and experience. Okay, this is an experience. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's see if I can find my car, because I didn't record the video from the very beginning. But I think from now I know where my car is. It's on the left. That's all I can tell you. That's all I can tell you. I know a little bit, I think, of the markers I used. Oh yeah, I'm still going straight. This is the part of from where I entered. And then I keep going. I remember these pipes. Ascending. I'm using my muscles. I can feel them. Those hamstrings. feel both my extensors and my flexors as I'm walking up. Woo! I actually came from down there. I think I did a good job. What do you guys think? Go and get a walk. Get your exercise on. Exercise on. Woo! Yeah, get your exercise on. What do you guys think? Okay, let's keep going. So I'm out. So when I first came here, there was a guy sitting there wearing green. He had a dog, a black dog. Yeah, I remember that. So he was sitting over there. And then I came here. Okay, making progress. I'm excited. I don't even want to go back home. In a way, I want to go back in the woods. Like, let's go back. But, you know, I gotta go home. I'm tired too. But at the same time, I'm kind of like a kid. I want to go back in there. I want to go back. I want to go enjoy the woods one more time. You know, but gotta go and do the academic work. You know, study that stuff. So, gotta go home. You know, there's a lot of dew. My shoes got a little bit dirty because of that. And then, a little bit wet. But that's okay. That's the fun of being outside. Just gotta wash things. Hello world. This is outside Maryland. MaryofChrist. Exploring the outside, the outdoors. There's Mr. Jones. You'll never miss It's in the park. CX. They are the benches, picnic benches, so you can come with your friends and family. So wherever you are, it's still warm, probably wherever you are. Get out there, enjoy it while it's still there. Winter is coming. And if it's like last winter, it felt like, oh my gosh, this winter is never gonna end. It's so cold. So why not right now go and enjoy the summer? Okay, should I sprint? Let's go for it, guys. Woo! You guys want to see me sprint by myself? I made a place to put my phone though. But this will be a nice sprint. Alright, I'll sprint. Let's do this. You can just see my feet when I'm sprinting, okay? On your mark. Get set. Go! Sister girls, move! You miss those days in school. Track. Yeah, the missable. I remember this. I remember seeing that and wondering, should I go and read that sign? But I was like, nah, I found my way back. I'm just gonna go straight. And then I came from this side. Oh. It's nice to sprint. You know, I needed to run a little bit. Get my cardio. Okay. I actually came from down there. Okay. But I think there's a shortcut to the cars. Not here, but somewhere over there. But if I go, I need another sprint. I don't know. I just need to move a little bit more. So before I go in, so I can prepare, you know, dressed up for a sprint. So let's see. I could go a little bit more. Before I go back on the grass, I need to move a little bit more. Okay, so go exercise. All right, on your mark. Get set, go! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna go at 200 or anything like that. Definitely not at 400. But I just need to get my heart going. So, now, finally, we can find our way back out. I like to run when I first get in the park. I like to walk. And then if I have energy, then I can run. Because I want to make sure that I have energy to explore. But today, because I was going outside into the woods, because I was going out into the woods, it's a good thing that I didn't run before that. Because let's say I go in there and I think, oh, maybe I won't see anything, but then I end up seeing something. Well, not just seeing, but being chased by something. I want to have all my energy. You know, I want to have all my energy in me, and I want to be ready to sprint from whatever could chase me. But not that anything is probably going to chase me in these woods in the U.S., at least in Pennsylvania, in the middle of the day at a park. Probably there's nothing serious in there at all. But hey, I'm an African girl. I gotta be ready. I gotta be ready to run from anything when I'm in the woods. We were not even allowed to go in the deep woods. Okay? So that's what's up. But look at this beautiful park. Very nice. Okay, have a picnic here. Very nice. I feel so healthy. Like, literally, I feel healthier after just sprinting for a few minutes twice. You know, I just feel healthier. Sometimes I do exercise in the house, of course. If you saw my previous video. Wow, I'm finding my way out. So this is where other people park. I parked there too, but I actually didn't come from there. When I came to the woods, I had gone up, so I came from here. So I came from here. I'm not gonna take a shortcut back. I'm gonna take the way I came. So I came from here and there. Wow, I made it back. I made it back safely. I don't know about that trail. I don't know what you guys think, but I was not gonna keep going by myself. No. I was not gonna go that far by myself. I mean, I know there's probably no bears in there and stuff like that, but it just kept going. I've never been that far deep in the woods in this park. So, No. Unless somebody else was there, maybe then I'll keep going. But don't be surprised though if next time I go deeper by myself. I mean, I am an explorer. What can I say? I love adventure. I love the woods. So, I mean, it could happen. I could go there by myself. Look at that big bug. I don't know if you can see it. It's flying. But I don't know about going in there, deep in there, where I've never been by myself. I mean, I went pretty deep by myself though. And I feel pretty brave right now. Like, yeah, the lioness is brave. Okay, so I feel pretty brave. I feel like if I really put my mind to it and I'm ready to go for many miles, I can go in there. I can go far. I can go further than I did. But you're gonna say that I went far. I went pretty far by myself. You're gonna give me credit. You know, I'm a brave girl. So, okay. So, anyways, this is the bottom. I'm back to where it started, everybody. So, it was nice sharing this experience with you. Go out there, go enjoy. I mean, even when it starts to get cold in winter, you can go out a little bit and enjoy the outdoors. Okay, you can see the people walking. So, anyways, peace out. God bless you. Now and always, and forevermore. Do not be afraid. Have courage. The Lord your God is with you wherever you go, wherever you are. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He will keep your path straight. And remember that the Lord is your shepherd, so you shall not want. You know, He makes you lie down on the green pastures. He leadeth you beside the still waters. He restores your soul. Right? So, yea, though you walk through the valley of shadow of death, don't fear any evil. You know, because God is with you. He prepares a table before you in the presence of your enemies. And surely goodness and mercy shall dwell with you all the days of your life. I mean, your entire whole life. So wherever you are, wherever you go, trust in the Lord. Trust and believe. Trust the Lord. He loves you. He loves you. Alright, check out my music if you want. I'm Marilyn W. Schumer, Mary of Christ. Check out my videos, our health thing, MedPage, okay? Fun and prevention, healthcare. Get up and try again. Alright, God bless you.